If your iPhone's Wi-Fi is stuck, disabled, or completely grayed out in settings, this video will walk you through the exact steps to fix it. This issue can stop you from connecting to the internet, updating apps, using iMessage, FaceTime, AirDrop, and basically anything that needs a connection. And it's more common than you think. But let's walk you through the steps to fix this problem. And the first solution is to open your settings page on iPhone and let's toggle this airplane mode toggle on. Then wait 10 or 15 seconds, disable it, and this step will essentially reset your Wi-Fi and mobile data connections. It will reset the antennas on your phone, which maybe had some connection issues. So enable and disable airplane mode and then check if the Wi-Fi icon is grayed out. Another helpful little thing which solves a lot of problems is when we do a force restart or a hard reset of our phone. So we can do this by quickly pressing the volume up button, then volume down, and now long press the lock button at the right side and hold it for maybe 15 or 20 seconds. You need to hold that lock button and do not let go until you see a little Apple logo appear over your screen. When the logo appears, you can let go of the button and wait a couple of seconds until your iPhone turns back on. So this is how we can do a force restart and hopefully fix our Wi-Fi problem. A thing which can cause a lot of issues with our Wi-Fi or mobile data is if you have a VPN enabled on your phone. VPN connections are a great thing, and they're pretty useful, but sometimes they can cause some connection problems and issues, especially if you forget to disconnect from a specific server. So you can open the settings page and you should see a VPN button, which is enabled. Just turn it off and wait for the iPhone to disconnect from that server. After this step, the Wi-Fi should work normally. So go check out if it's still grayed out or not and tell me in the comments down below if this step worked for you. The fourth solution, and the one which solves the problem in a lot of cases, is to simply reset our iPhone network settings. We can do this by opening the iPhone settings page. After that, I'm going to click on General. And once you're on this page, simply scroll down towards the bottom of the page until you can see this Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on Reset, and then you'll select the second option from the list, which is Reset Network Settings. What this does is it clears all of your saved Wi-Fi networks, passwords, Bluetooth connections, and network configurations, and it gives your iPhone a completely fresh network setup. This does not delete your photos, apps, or personal data, but you will need to reconnect to your Wi-Fi afterward, so make sure you know your password. After your iPhone restarts, go back to Settings, open Wi-Fi, and check if the toggle is still grayed out or if it's working again. If this still doesn't work, then fix number 5 may be to check if you have a new software update for your iPhone by going over to the Settings page once again. Navigate to General, then Software Update, and then this page will show you if any new iOS version is available for you to download and install. Regularly updating your iPhone will fix bugs and glitches in the iOS software. It will bring you performance improvements, and it should hopefully fix your grayed out Wi-Fi problem. But if you've tried these steps and none of these worked for you, then there is a possibility that it's not a software problem anymore, but a hardware issue instead. If the Wi-Fi is still grayed out after all of these steps, then it's very likely a hardware issue, usually caused by drops, water damage, or internal component failure. And in that case, the only real solution is to contact Apple support or visit a repair shop. If this video helped you, leave a like, subscribe for more quick iPhone fixes, and comment below which step worked for you.